One of Nigerian citizen, they say the guy don't provoke go clap the high tension if you talk about that, no be the usual one wey you dey see for your street. This high one wey dey for near bushy area they say the guy don't go climb that place go talk say if Tinubu no come if Tinubu no resign comot for that office, he say no dey come down I now I can't remember say this one e be like say forget say na inside Nigeria na im dey that kind thing fit work for America or for other country, but inside Nigeria they go even go buy coffee, they wait for you the time wey you go come down before the sharp they go put the person for inside ground, no waste of time. They say e don reach 2 days now and since that time like say hungry don dey do that guy 30 for inside that place, so e still dey for up. Tinubu never resign and no comment don make by the government. My people, Nigeria for you. Okay, as that one dey happen, one of the northern leaders don talk say if they go release Sunday Igboho and Sowore and leave Asari Dokubo as a free man and also empower Tompolo and other things wey they don do, including the Boko Haram wey they don rehabilitated put for the system again. He say holding in the Kalo that one na be say na be the suppression and this way Igbo people they talk about. We go bring the videos come give una. My people, they say the latest one now be say that Funanis are celebrating the money where they don't collect from their victims, where they don't kidnap, go one corner. Things are happening. I'm going to play the video of waiting this northern leader talk before we go jump. Go watch the video of the man. We say if Tinubu no come, he no go come down. Watch the video.
From Yahaya Bello to see what's happened with Nnamdi Kanu's case. We've seen that the judge has recused herself from the case. Wanted to find out your thoughts regarding how the matter has been handled so far. It's been on for the longest time. He's accused the court of being biased and saying that if the DSS does not subject itself to the rulings of the court, he can understand that, but that not the court itself being biased and not obeying the decisions of the Supreme Court. So what's your thoughts regarding how
I've said this
has been handled?
Over and over again, and I have said this in the past, and I will repeat the same thing here now. If Boko Haram criminals can be given amnesty, be trained, and given commercial support, if Sunday Agboha is still a free person walking on the street, if Gani Adams is still a traditional ruler, and if this guy in the southwest, in the south, what do you call him? Remind me his name. If they are still alive, Dokubo Asari. If Dokubo Asari is still free, and if Tompolo is still a federal government contractor, I don't see any reason why Kanu should be behind bars. They have committed more crimes than being alleged to have been committed by Kanu. If Kanu cannot be released on the basis of legality, he should be released on the basis of equity, fairness. If he cannot get justice, at least he can be given freedom based on equity. Because these people that have criminal records all over the horizon have committed more crimes than Kanu, than what Kanu is being alleged to have committed. Therefore, for me, keeping Kanu behind bars is immoral, is illegal, is unconstitutional, is a crime, and he's being cherry-picked for persecution. For now, he is being persecuted. Luckily, it will go round. One day, there will be the people that will be persecuted, and we'll celebrate that. We'll remind them that when Kanu was behind bars, you were in charge. Your children were in charge. Your daughters were in charge. Your uncles and parents were in charge. Therefore, now, keep quiet, remain silent, enjoy what you have subjected other people to enjoy in the past.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Let me play you this video for you to also see as you take they go for inside this area. As this man no don't go up, contest if Tinubu no resign, they come down. Watch the video.
This is happening live in my Ebola local government, Adamawa State, today being the 27th of September 2024, this young man, full of energy, full of vigor, climbed the 33 kVA high tension in my Ebola local government, saying that he will not come down until Tinubu comes down from the presidency. We don't know. Today is market day in Maeboloa, and the market is already relocating to this very place. Everyone just wants to see what is happening. You can see with your own eyes, things are happening in the world. You can see. It's just right.
Okay, my wonderful people, no be small thing o. And I don't see am. As e take dey happen for that area, they say the guy na this one na situation report. As the guy go clap Háppening, come forget say na Nigeria in dey as a country. Country wey be say if you protest or say the government no good, they go give you rice. Country wey be say if you talk say things no dey work well, they go give you rice. Country wey be say if you come outside they say food price don go high o, they go give you rice. We don understand say rice na be the problem of their citizens. Why they go come for your own life? You can't say if you climb up this country, Tinubu go answer you. You know how many people wey don buy before you sit down for that seat, and because of you wey nobody know, you climb up. Think say you dey for America where you go up. Nigeria don happen for this, my brother. When you say Nigeria don happen, if you dey pray one prayer every morning when you wake up, I tell you the most important prayer wey you go dey pray for this country, say may Nigeria no happen to you. Because if Nigeria happen to you, my brother, my sister, you go understand. We wey e don happen for before, if we explain to you, you no go understand. Those wey e don happen to, if they explain to you, you no go understand. Pray may Nigeria no happen to you. Nigeria now don happen to this our brother. Now one of those people wey tell them say, Sadi, so the Biafrans, so you say who be Biafran? Now them be this. Now one of those people wey you go talk say let Igbo people go, they go say no. May they, if they see where they demolish Igbo people something, they go say Tinubu is doing well. Now one of those people wey vote Tinubu, na in dey for that up like that. My people, when I don't hear am now, as nothing that they talk am now. So may you know where we are for inside this country, that they just purposely doing what they are doing to Ndi Igbo. You see what is happening in Israel today will be a very big lesson to everyone. Remember that once upon the time, Israel, they buy them anyhow. When Israel can't think with their wisdom, can't go back, build everything they want, secretly do everything. Today, anywhere in the world will come outside, come pull mat for Israel matter, that place go collect water. Israel is not going back about it. So that is why the Igbo, especially I'm talking the Igbos, because other Biafras are shaking. Other part of Biafras are shaking. I'm talking to Igbos who carry out for head. If we people do not come back home and sit down, build something that will, when Nigeria hear it, they will begin to be afraid of you people. This marginalization will never stop. If something that when Nigeria hear, they will say, oh, no one problem, oh, may they carry their wahala, they go. They will never respect you people. That is the truth about this whole thing where they happen. I beg, may you share this video. I don't want to go more deeper, because if they bring that, if they tell our people something, they want me to explain them very well. But all Igbos, regarding, forget about that tonton business where you get for North. If they talk about it, say, no, my business is here. You manage to buy one plot of land, 2 plots of land. My property is here. Forget that the future of your children has no meaning without you getting your freedom and build a proper future for your children. And have a proper medication facilities. Let everything be working. Your transportation system, everything will be working because of 3 or 4 plots of land you have in the north, you have in the Lagos. Because of that, you want to sell your full right. And when they talk about Biafra, I don't want to lose my property in the NATO. You people have to come home and sit down. Just imitate the people were people of Catalonians. Imitate people of Catalonians. That's the only way out of this whole thing. My people, share the video as they hot. I want to show you the video where finally they share money where they collect from people where they carry go inside bush.
Ontura naki Tinubu. Tinubu gaji naka. Gaji Kuni anam wallahi mun sha ga nono ga kudi ya za a rena nono alibanga alaji kudi ne nga maka alaji gido gani
I don't see am. This one are the one wey reach their hand. They show you. So they love Tinubu government. Is doing them well. Tinubu government, you know, when Aburo enter power, now so they be everything now womida everywhere. Look at what this kind of story where they talk about Bobrisky. Bobrisky no they sell low, but then they carry where they say live and they say no, but they hold somebody like Bobrisky who is polluting the society. Look at a whole Bobrisky. They no put am for sale, pay money, they leave am. And the reason that they say no, Igbo people keep quiet. In the morning you go bath. Waka they go your business like say no concern you. Sometimes I really think I would imagine say what is wrong with our people? What is actually wrong with our people? I don't want to go too forward. I better share this video.